because your girl is trying to be real with herself this year, honey. I cannot be out here spending money like I sell dope. I can't go to Hibachi every day. I can't go to Mighty Crab every day. I can't go and get Olive Garden to go. I just wanna say that I'm grateful, truly thankful for all of the blessings. I just wanna say. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is BrookeEbonie. I am a licensed esthetician, a spa owner, a licensed practical nurse, all of that good stuff. And yeah, I haven't uploaded in like 7 short days. Like it's been about 7, little short days. Little short days. So anywho, I have been thinking way too hard about this. Like, what am I gonna post next? What can I talk about? Blah blah blah. So I noticed that I get a lot of questions in the comments about how do I sanitize and clean my supplies after a vajacial. So I'm gonna do a quick little spa tour, and I'm gonna show y'all how I clean and how I sanitize all of my spin brushes, all of my facial brushes and things like that I use. I'm not even sure, you know what I'm saying, if that's even something that y'all want to see, but I get a lot of questions about it. So maybe they didn't teach in school. I know we had a little machine that was hooked up to the steamer thing, so I don't know, but y'all keep asking, so keep watching and I am going to show y'all. I'm on my lunch break, y'all. I got me some top ramen noodles because your girl is trying to be real with herself this year, honey. I cannot be out here spending money like I sell dope. I can't go to Hibachi every day. I can't go to Mighty Crab every day. I can't go and get Olive Garden to go or Chili's to go, which that's really kind of cheap, you know what I'm saying? But honey, I'll spend $30 a meal and that'll be about 3 times a day. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Sometimes, I don't be wanting to do the kids like that because, sometimes as moms, we'll sit in the car and eat and then go in there and feed they ass some noodles. Sometimes I'll go ahead on and get them a little meal, with my meal too. So anyways, y'all, I'm on lunch. I'm about to eat my little noodles, and then I'm going to get up. I'm going to do the sanitization of my supplies and stuff. I'm going to show y'all that, and then I'm going to do an updated spa tour. It's not really, you know what I'm saying, it ain't really nothing to write home about, but I know y'all want to see. So, and it's content. I'm putting it out there, y'all. I haven't uploaded in 7 short, it's been 7 short little days. Anyways, keep on watching. I'll see y'all soon. My bad, y'all. These are chow mein noodles. They're about 98 cents a pack. But I did want to talk to y'all while I eat my lunch and just tell y'all that I feel like the year of 2022 is the year of sacrifice for me. I will not be able to reach the level that I'm trying to reach, obtain the goals that I'm trying to obtain, if I keep continuing to do the things that I've been doing. That really is the definition of insanity. I can't keep on with the same old money habits, the low productivity, the lack of self-discipline. I can't get to where I'm trying to go doing that. I'm not preaching. I'm just, letting y'all know what's real. You know what I'm saying? If it resonates with you, then it resonates with you. And if you weren't doing that, then baby girl, kudos to you. But for me, I have to make some changes. I have to do better, pretty much. It's no rush because I know I'm gonna be successful. I know success is meant for me, so I'm gonna make the necessary changes that I need to make, you know what I'm saying, in order to get to where I'm going. So that is that on that, honey. Be expecting some videos for that, and let's get into this updated spa tour. So I got my windows done. It was a company local here in Little Rock that came out and did my windows for me. I think the last tour I did was empty, so I'm gonna show y'all. This is the retail area. That's what it's looking like. Please don't judge, y'all. I have been working. I did not have time to really just clean everything up in front and stunt like it just be top tier at all times. I'm working this business by myself. I did have a receptionist. I no longer have a receptionist, but I'm in here making, you know, doing what I can until I can build my team. That's another thing that I'm working on in 2022. I know that I can't do this alone. So I'm building up a team. I'm looking for, you know, some boss bestie friends. I'm getting ready to build a community on Facebook. That link will be down in the description. And by the way, we are in the waiting area. This is where everybody waits. That is the reception desk I bought. I will not even tell y'all where I got that from because it came in pieces and broken. So that was $1,200 going down the drain. And I just put a little mirror in here. I got those chairs from Amazon. I got the futon from Amazon as well. I would not recommend buying furniture online because it's literally dollhouse furniture. It looked so much bigger online, and that just was not the case. It's not comfortable either. But anywho, so here is the hallway. I got this little thing here from At Home. And I haven't done much decorating, you guys, and I'm probably not going to be doing a whole lot of decorating. I got that off of Etsy, so it was handmade. Can't remember the store, but if you like it, I will try to link that down below. This is the utility closet. Needs some shelving. That definitely needs some organizing. Like I said, no judging. This room here is my teeth whitening and V-steam area. I haven't yet got it all the way set up. As you can see, the walls are bare. I might put some stuff on the wall in there and just some other things in there, but it definitely won't be anything super expensive until I get everything together on the back end. So this is what we are working with right now. This is my treatment room, y'all. Like I said, I have been working. I am on my lunch break. No judging, but excuse me, y'all. I ain't got the vid. Oh my god. But anywho, yeah, so I got this little cabinet here off of Amazon as well, and the thing right there that the wax pot and the towel warmer is sitting on came off of Amazon. Those shelves came from Family Dollar. I don't think they sell them anymore. But eventually I plan to revamp my treatment room as well, but just not right now. It's a sacrifice I just gotta make. This is what the bathroom is looking like. I believe I did show y'all that on the Decorate My Salon With Me video. And so y'all have seen this. All of that stuff came from At Home, and the flowers came from Hobby Lobby. And this is just a little 9-shelf organizer from Walmart. Y'all, I just bought those. That thing was full literally the day before I recorded this. You see how people do? People just, I guess somebody just stole them. I don't know, but they were only $2 a pack. But still, like, sis, go buy your own feminine wipes. It's one per customer. One. But that's the bathroom, and I separated the office area and all that stuff from the rest of the salon. I just used some regular curtains, and I used a shower rod, y'all, to put that up there. It might be a little ghetto, but it works, so that's just what it is. And this is the employee only area, hence why it's ugly, because I was not about to pay to get the area painted. It didn't need to be painted. That's where I clean and sanitize everything, and there's a microwave back there. That's what I cook my little noodles in. This is my office and my product production area. It's dirty. I have been working. I'm not going in there. Y'all can't see that. I gotta clean that up before I do a tour of that. But anywho, so let's get to how I sanitize all of my products that I use for a Vajacial. I sanitize these differently than the stuff that I use on the face. Somebody did come in and was like, are you using the same thing? No, I don't. But everything is clean and sanitized before it even touches a client. So I use Barbicide. and just regular water. I don't let everything just soak in this stuff because it erodes your implements. It will fade and make your brushes blue. And I'm not sure if y'all watch the other YouTubers, you know, the influencer YouTubers, when they go to spas and stuff, they talk about that. If your towels are stained, if anything is stained, even if it's clean, they know it's clean, but the fact that it's stained, they're just like, ew, oh my gosh, you use stained towels on me. Like, sis, I can go up on my prices and buy new towels every time. I mean, what you want me to do? I mean, ain't nobody ever said that about my spa. That happened to me one time. Like, nobody said nothing, but something ended up being stained, and I was like, oh no, honey. It's all about, when you want your profits to be high, you have to keep your expenses low. So this is how I clean the brushes. And my camera battery was blinking while I was recording this, y'all. Usually while I'm sanitizing everything, I just spray it. I put the barbicide with some water. You know, you got to cut that with water in a spray bottle, and I spray my brushes down, and I rinse the spray stuff off because, like I said, I don't want it to stain blue. And it will erode. Some of these are wood, some of the handles are wood, some of them are plastic, but it still will erode it, and it will, you know, make it come down. I need these to last. I spent my money on them. I need them to last. But what I do is I set them right there just, you know, to get them out the way while I'm sanitizing. But after that, my towel warmer does have a UV light. UV light does kill bacteria. So I usually will set that in there at nighttime with the UV light on. Not the heat, y'all. The UV light. I set those things in there at night and let them let that UV light kill any leftover bacteria, since I wasn't able to soak these particular items in the barbicide for however many hours. So that is how I do that. Of course, anything that is disposable is thrown away. I don't, you know, I ain't that cheap now. I don't really consider myself cheap. Like I said, this year is the year of sacrifice. So I ain't finna be all in the stores and all in the restaurants and everything. But at the same time, I wouldn't be that, you know what I'm saying, cheap to try to reuse disposable things and stuff like that. No. Everything that is disposable, that is to be used, is one use per client, does get thrown away. And if you are wanting a more detailed video on this, then comment down below, let me know. I am trying my hardest, y'all. When I say YouTube is hard, it takes a lot of time to edit. I sat here editing this video last night probably till like 1 o'clock in the morning. It's currently the next day, and now I'm adding the voiceover and all the other little pop-ups and stuff that y'all see on the screen and everything. But I am trying to, like I said, I want to build a community of support. You know what I'm saying? I want to build a tribe where we all can support each other. I don't want it to be a how can I say this, you can't sit with us type of situation. A lot of the bigger, I've noticed, you know, beauty industry coaches really legit be like, you know, if you ain't making 6 figures yet, and you ain't doing this and blah blah blah, you know, that don't down me, don't kick me while I'm down, and then, you know what I'm saying, help me back up, and then punch me back down, like, you know what I'm saying. So I really want to build a community where we're really helping each other, you know what I'm saying, really supporting each other. I want to, you know what I'm saying, give some workshops, some course classes, some high ticket classes, stuff like that, y'all. I'm really hungry right now. I'm not even gonna lie. That's probably why I'm jabbering like this. But anywho, yeah. So if you are interested in that, then make sure you check out the description box. One Facebook group will be free, the other will not. That one is going to be, it's not necessarily a cost, but it's going to be for people that have actually taken any of my courses or classes. That way they can ask questions and stuff. But the battery operated brushes, I do not put under the running water. I don't soak them in anything because they are battery operated. It will ruin it. My husband has ruined a few things because sometimes he'll come in here and do this for me. And he will literally put my battery operated stuff in the sink that's full of water. So that is how I clean that part of it. I just spray my little barbicide water concoction on a paper towel and wipe it down. This is the mushroom head that goes with my high frequency machine. That is how I clean that, because you know you have to plug that into the wall. So I don't want to soak this in water. I'm not even sure how the argon gas will be able to get through. I don't know. I just don't want to ruin it. I've already dropped one and it shattered, and I had to, you know, end up purchasing another one. But y'all, I would hate to soak that thing in some water and then stick it in my little high frequency wand and then plug it into the wall, and baby, all my hair sticking up. I'm usually here by myself. I do rent out those front 2 rooms, but they're not here all the time. Girl, I stick that thing in that wall, honey, and electrocute the shit out myself. And then who gonna run a spa? No, I can't do that. But this is how I sanitize the implements. I put them in this little jar with the little thing. I'm sure y'all have seen that at a beauty shop or barber shop. They usually put combs and brushes in there. This is, I just put my my tweezers, my extraction tools, all that stuff. I do let that stuff soak because it is actually coming into contact with blood and other bodily fluids. So I put that in there and I let it soak overnight. And to my fellow nurses, did y'all pass this skills test on the first try? But anywho, if you have made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment Spot Hustler down below, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.